very quickly and easily. The key to this is number one, don't be rushed, be very calm and chill. Because the more rushed you are, the more you're going to mess things up and it'll just be frustrating. Number two is if you do it on the day of the gender reveal party, make sure you set aside at least 20 minutes for this, especially if this is your first time. So first, we remove it from the packing and then we separate them. You'll notice that there are two sheets underneath each color. So remove it very delicately. So once we've laid it flat, it's ready to be folded. So what we just do is fold this horizontally bit by bit. Try to make it as small as possible, as thin as possible, and repeat the same thing over and over again. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty quick. And once we have this, it's like a little pom-pom we have here. You have this bridge right here. What we do after we fold is to twist. Twist it a little bit, not too hard. Once we've created this twist, we create this twist into a loop, like this. From then on, you can either use the string that is included in the package directly to create a loop around it, or in a secure way, you could also put a tape on it. So it's up to you. You could do any kind of knots you want. You can do adjustable knots, or I'll do a dead knot for this sake. And there. This is the first of our beautiful tassel garland. As demonstrated, you see that we have put a knot onto one single tassel right here. So once we're done with the 6 of them, it will look something like this. You could either attach it to a helium-filled balloon, or you could also use it as a decoration on the wall or on the table, which looks something like this. So you put it on like this. So let us know if you're getting a hang of it. Hope you enjoy. Using our checklist and guide, we'll make sure you do things on time, well, and prepared.